120 days ago, I was a different person. Weak, reactive, dependent on others for validation. Today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I use to completely rebuild my masculine identity and why this system works when everything else fails. This isn't theory. This isn't motivation. This is the documented system that took me from broken, and invisible to disciplined, dangerous, and magnetic. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete 120-day ghost mode identity blueprint. But here's the warning. This only works if you're ready to disappear from your old life completely. We're covering 4 phases: identity death, system installation, power integration, and identity rebirth. Each phase is exactly 30 days. Each day has specific protocols. Miss a day, start over. This video isn't for everyone. If you need motivation, if you make excuses, if you're not ready to execute in complete silence, stop watching now. Ghost mode is for men who are done being weak. Let me tell you about the night that changed everything. It was 2 a.m. I was scrolling through my ex's Instagram, watching her with the guy she left me for. I was 26, living paycheck to paycheck, 40 pounds overweight, with zero direction. I realized I was addicted to my own misery, addicted to complaining, making excuses, seeking sympathy. I was a victim by choice, and victims don't build empires. That night, I made a decision that saved my life. I would disappear completely, delete social media, cut off toxic friends, stop seeking validation. I would rebuild my identity in complete silence. The first 30 days were hell. My brain craved the dopamine hits. Friends called me antisocial. Family said I was depressing, but I stayed ghost. Phase 1. Identity death. Phase 1 is about killing who you were. Day 1. Delete all social media. Day 2. Clean your space completely. Day 3. Write down every excuse you've made in the last year. The silence contract. You sign a contract with yourself. No announcements, no progress posts, no seeking advice. You become a ghost in your own transformation. Daily protocols. 5 a.m. wake up. Non-negotiable. Cold shower. 20 push-ups. Read 10 pages. Work 2 hours on something that matters. No exceptions. No emotions. The mental shift. By day 30, something changes. You stop needing external validation. You stop caring about others' opinions. You become self-contained. Phase 2. System installation, building the machine. Phase 2 is about installing unbreakable systems. Your life becomes a series of protocols that run automatically, regardless of how you feel. The 4 pillars. Physical, daily training, nutrition protocol. Mental, reading, skill acquisition. Financial, income generation, expense control. Social, strategic networking, not random socializing. Compound effect. Week 5, you start seeing physical changes. Week 6, your confidence shifts. Week 7, people notice something different about you. Week 8, you don't care if they notice. Resistance management. Your old self will try to sabotage this. Friends will pressure you to be normal. Your brain will crave the old patterns. This is where 90% of men fail. Ghost mode power. Building excitement. But if you stay silent, if you keep executing, something magical happens. You become unstoppable because nobody can interfere with what they can't see. Phase 3. Power integration, the momentum shift. Phase 3 is where everything accelerates. Your systems are installed. Your discipline is unbreakable. Now you start seeing exponential results. Identity emergence. Week 9, your income increases. Week 10, your body transforms. Week 11, your mindset becomes unshakable. Week 12, you're operating on a different level. Social dynamics. People start asking what changed. Your ex starts liking old photos. New opportunities appear, but you remain ghost, mysterious, unavailable, focused. The danger zone. This is where most men get cocky and break silence. They post transformation pics, announce their success, seek validation. Don't. Stay ghost. Compound mastery. By day 90, you're a different species. The protocols run automatically. Success becomes inevitable. You've rebuilt your identity from zero. Phase 4. Identity rebirth, anew you. Powerful presence. Phase 4 is about integrating your new identity permanently. You're no longer becoming. You are. The transformation is complete. Strategic revelation. Now you strategically choose when to break silence. Not for validation, but for impact. You speak only when it serves your mission. Results documentation. My 120-day results. $50,000 income increase. 30-pound transformation. New social circle. Unshakable confidence. Magnetic presence. All in silence. The multiplier effect. Big picture. The disciplines you built compound forever. Year 2, $200,000 increase. Year 3, complete life transformation. All because you mastered ghost mode. This is why ghost mode is the only way to rebuild masculine identity. Real power starts in silence, not noise. Real men transform in darkness. Interactive planning session. Now we're going to build your 120-day blueprint. Get a pen and paper. This is where theory becomes reality. Phase breakdown. Interactive exercise. Write down, what identity are you killing? What systems will you install? What results do you want by day 120? Be specific. Accountability system. In the comments, write Ghost Mode 120 if you're committing to this transformation. No details, no explanations, just commitment. Let's address the top 5 reasons men fail this system and how to overcome each one through pure protocol execution. Success metrics. Measurement system. How to track progress without breaking silence. The metrics that matter. The milestones that prove transformation. Most of you will watch this and do nothing. You'll wait for motivation, make excuses, stay comfortable. But some of you are different. For those ready to disappear and rebuild, Ghost Mode is the only way to rebuild masculine identity, because real power starts in silence, not noise. Subscribe if you're ready to become dangerous.